So for number 17, there's a lot of words here, but the important bits are that when customers purchase 9 comic books, they get 1 free. So Marcy purchases 68 comics. So how many free comic books should the store give her? That is our first question. How many free comic books should she get? And we have a second question, but let's pause on that for now and just focus on this first question. So I know that she has 68 comics, and what the store has to do is put those into groups of 9 in order to figure out how many she gets to have free. So because we have 68 and we're putting them into groups of 9, we're going to divide here. So there are any number of strategies you could use. You could use long division, partial quotients, you could use place value. It's completely up to you. But let's do long division. So if I have 68 divided by 9, and I try to do my first digit, 6 divided by 9, that's not going to be helpful to me right now. So what I could do, I'm going to just do 68 divided by 9, and I'm going to skip out by 9s to get as close as I can. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Okay, so which numbers did I say that were closest? The numbers I said that were closest without going over 63 is the closest I can get. Okay, so my 63 goes underneath here, and in order to get to 63, I did 9 times 7. So 9 times 7 is 63. Then I subtract to get my remainder. 8 minus 3 is 5, and 6 minus 6 is 0. And I have nothing else to bring down, and 5 divided by 9 isn't going to help me. So my answer is going to be 7 with a remainder of 5. Okay, because that's what I had left over. So that means she's going to get 7 comic books, 7 free comic books. Our second question, though, says how many more comic books does she need to buy to get her next free comic books? So we know that after we put everything into groups of 9, we had 5 left over. And we know that if we have one more group of 9, she'll get 1 more comic book. So now I need to figure out, if she has 5 left over, how many more does she need in order to get to 9, in order to make 1 more group of 9? So in order to make 1 more group of 9, she would have to get 4 more. So she would have to buy 4 more books to get 1 more free comic book.